Well, hello. I'm going to work on trying to help you set up your web page if you want to have a Google Hangout with your kids and you want to link that to your web page so your kids have easier access. So I've already opened up my window and signed in on my web page, and I've gone to my page to do my editing. So I want to put a link right here on this, so all they have to do is click on the time that they want to join. And so I'm going to go to my calendar and I'm going to click on that tutorial session. So we're offering a tutorial session at 9 o'clock and again at 1. So I want to make sure I click on the 9 o'clock one. It opens up the tutorial session, and if I click on the three little dots at the top, it'll give me a publish event. Click on the publish event, and we want to click on the link to event. So if we click copy for that, and then go back to my web page, now I can highlight what I want the link to go to. So I highlight that, and then I click up here in the insert link. When I click on the insert link, then I want to make sure I choose the web access. Once you choose web access, then you can do Control V and it will copy what you copied, it will paste right there. Click on insert link, and now it's inserted into there. So I can save. Once I have it saved, I'm going to go view my website so I can see if my link worked. Click on my Algebra 2 page. There's my time. When I click on my time, it takes them to the Google Calendar. And then that way, all they have to do is come and click on the Join the Hangout Meet, and it'll take them right to our page where we'll all be at, and just like we did today with Cheryl. So hopefully that's helpful to y'all. I was going to put it in an email, and I thought that's an awful lot of words to type, and this might be a little bit faster for you. So if there's any other questions you have about that, let me know. Once I've done that, I'll go back to this same page and do the exact same steps to do it for the 1 o'clock. So then the kids we're going to allow 2 times, and we're going to take turns manning those stations the Monday through Thursday. So if that's helpful for any of you, by all means, feel free. Please let me know whatever y'all do. Thanks and good luck. Let me know if y'all need any help making the transition.